Hello, welcome in our geography session. We discuss population composition factors. The second factor, that is a sex composition. Almost we discuss the first factor, that is a first point, that is a age structure. In age structure we discuss there are the several groups of with the age groups are there. For example, infant, children, then young population, adult population, and old population. With the percentage of each group we also observe some graphs, such first, that is a expensive, second constructive, and third stationary. As well as we also discuss about the India and Indian population, almost the population related with the uh, child population less than 15, then above 15 to 60, then after 60. So in this way we discuss a children's and the old population, which is a non-working population, and working population. It is most important and affect on the economic system of a country. Expensive chart shows high birth rate and high death rate. Constructive shows low birth and low death. Stationary shows very low birth rate and very low death rate. Almost this situation, first expensive in a less developed country and stationary stage in a highly developed country. Now our second point, that is the sex composition. The sex ratio is very important. The ratio between the number of women and men in the population is called the sex ratio. In India, it is calculated by using this formula. Formula is total female population divided by total male population multiplied by 1000. In some countries in the world, this sex ratio is calculated by 100 male for a female population. In some countries this formula is also used the same, but only 100 male is there for per 100 male population. This formula is calculated, but in India we calculate the total female population, the female population for a per 1000 male population. Average sex ratio in the world is 990. The sex ratio distribution in the world is not even. There is a very difference in between the sex ratio related with the different countries. Some countries have very low sex ratio, some have high sex ratio. 990 female per 1000 males is there. Highest sex ratio of the world is 1162 females per 1000 male. Almost this type of condition we can observe in Latvia, Estonia, and Russia and Ukraine. The Estonia and Latvia is a less developed African countries. Due to the climatic condition, the male infant mortality rate is high. Means a child which are less than 1 year old, in that children the male child in mortality rate is high. That's why the female population is higher than the male population. Russia and Ukraine, however, have a economically developed countries, as well as there is a high standard and literacy level is good. There is also high status in economical system also. That's why the female population is also high, and high female population proportion in that population. Ukraine is European country from European continent. European continent have high sex ratio also because of Second World War and the high young male deaths in that Second World War. The lowest sex ratio in the world related with, that is a 667 only in Saudi Arabia. Per 1000 male population, only 667 females are there. This condition happens in Saudi Arabia. Some Asian countries have also low sex ratio, like China, India, Bhutan, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Such countries have a low sex ratio. There are some countries are very less developed economically, less developed education level, but China, India, these countries have high education level, high literacy level is there, high also development is also good in all sectors, but due to the social and traditionals and cultural things, religious are also affect in that social system, and that's why the male child preference to the male child birth, then dowry system, such customs are also effect on the female population and sex ratio. Then some factors affecting on sex ratio. First is demographic dividend. Second, social and cultural factor is there. Third, literacy and educational level. And fourth, GDP means gross domestic product. It shows a economical status of country. So these all factors are directly and indirectly affect on the sex ratio. In a next video we discuss these points or factors in deeply. Okay, thank you.